Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by verifying compatibility and powering the keyboard. This matters because Bluetooth and Smart Connector connect differently. Once the keyboard is charged and in pairing mode, unlock your iPad and open settings to Bluetooth so devices appear. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi/Bluetooth are enabled. If the keyboard uses a Smart Connector, prepare to align magnets instead of using Bluetooth. These first steps put both devices into discoverable states, so pairing can proceed smoothly. Now you'll complete the actual connection. If it's Bluetooth, tap the keyboard name under My Devices. Sometimes iPad shows a PIN, type it on the keyboard and press Enter to confirm. If it's a Smart Connector or magnetic folio, align the pins and let the magnetic snap seat the keyboard. The iPad should recognize it instantly. Once paired or attached, make sure the keyboard responds to modifier keys and that the on-screen keyboard hides when you type. This ensures. Finish by testing typing, arrow keys, and shortcuts so you know everything maps correctly. Change layout or language in settings if keys differ. Once done, make sure auto lock and keyboard shortcuts are set to your preference so the workflow stays smooth. If the keyboard won't connect, try forgetting the device in Bluetooth and re-pairing, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart the iPad. These steps clear transient glitches and usually restore a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.